All right, I've got an awesome pregnancy workout for you who are in your first trimester. So we're gonna get going. Make sure you get your water, and this is gonna be awesome for you. All right, so what I want to do first is just walk you through all the exercises. So the first thing that we're going to do is a warrior to a triangle. So you're going to get into this warrior position, and as you come up, just come up, pull your belly in. I know it might be a little bit harder, so don't feel like, oh my gosh, my belly's so big, because I remember my first trimester, I'm out now, thank goodness, because I'm sick. I just didn't feel good. So just make sure that when you're doing these exercises, you always have water. And when you're coming up, you really pull your belly in, roll that tailbone under. Second exercise is a drinking bird. It's kind of like an RDL, and I love RDLs. I loved them before I was pregnant. I love them now that I am pregnant. So hands behind your head, pushing your hips down and back as if you are drinking like a bird. So as you know, I'm not super flexible, but if you need a little bend in your knee, totally fine. Next thing we're doing is a sumo to an overhead. One of crowd favorites, and I use it now still that I'm pregnant. So nice sumo stance, chest up, shoulders back, come down. As you come up, hands come over your head, pull in your stomach. Try to keep your core as tight as possible. Okay. Next exercise, bring your arms out in front. I'll do an angle for you here. You're just be pulling your shoulder blades back, squeezing your shoulder blades together while at the same time trying to really close your rib cage. Because as you know, as your stomach grows, things start to expand, your ab wall starts to expand. So you really want to make sure that you keep yourself nice and tight as you do this. Pull your shoulder blades back and forward. Last exercise we're doing is a sumo to a high knee. So sumo position like we did before, come down, bring the arm up. You can keep your arms just up like this. You really want to sumo and press through. So those are all your exercises. Let's go ahead and do them now as a workout. So we're gonna do rep base. Take your time, don't overdo it. Make sure you have water. So the first thing we're doing is 10 each side. Warrior to triangle. So let's get in that warrior position. You're gonna come up, that's 1, 2, and really as you come up, squeeze those hands together. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, keep your chin up, chest up, 8, 9, the last one, 10, and then go ahead and switch sides, bend that knee, and come up 1, hands down, 2, 3, 4, 5, if you hear a little background noise, we're in nature. Of course, they're cutting the trees today, no big deal. 7, 8, 9, last one, 10. Take a big breath, shake it out, come into your angle, hands behind your head. We're doing 15 of these drinking birds. Press through the heels, almost bring your toes up off the ground and press up. 1, 2, really press through, see if you can feel it in your hamstrings. Fancy word for the back of your legs. Pull that belly in. 3, big breath. 4, really take your time here. It's a great back and also butt and leg strengthening exercise. 6, 7, keep your breath up. 8, 9, good job here. 10, let's go 5 more. 5, 4, really press through, press your hips back. 3, keep your hands up. 2, pull that core in, zip that rib cage together as best you can. And last one, awesome. So now we're gonna go sumo to overhead. Get into position here, go ahead and do 15 total. So squat down, then come up as 1, bring your hands down. 2, 3, good work here. 4, 5, 6, 7, slow down if you need to. 8, 9, 10, let's go 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one's always the best one. Reach up and down, right into pulling those shoulder blades back. We're gonna go 10 here. So just pulling the shoulder blades back. A little bit funky, but think you have a pencil between your back and you're squeezing it. Pulling the rib cage in. 3, 4, always stay in a nice athletic position. 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 more, 9, and 10. Last exercise here, sumo to the wide knee. So nice and wide with the sumo, hands up, down, and bring it up. 1, 2, we're gonna go 10 each side. 3, 4, 5, good work here. 6, really push through the heels. 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, chest up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Shake it out, and that's it. You're done with your full body first trimester workout. Awesome job. Comment down below if you love it. I'll see you guys on the next one.